Hello, my name is Cynthia. Welcome to training for budgetary control in Oracle Financials Cloud. In this session, we will talk about budget management improvements in budgetary control. For the capabilities covered in this training, we explain what they do, followed by more detail to explain how you can use them and what business value they bring. Then we walk you through a demonstration. Next, we explain what you need to consider before enabling these features in your business and what you need to know to set them up. The capabilities covered in this training will provide you with the ability to easily identify and carry forward surplus funds and open purchase orders to the next budget cycle using the new Budgetary Control Carry Forward set of processes. Improve visibility into budget import by annotating budget import lines and viewing the budget import entries and its details. Finally, expand Oracle Transactional Business Intelligence Reporting, also referred to as OTBI, with the new Budgetary Control Balances Real-Time Subject Area and the new attributes introduced in the Budgetary Control Transactions Real-Time Subject Area. At the end of your budget cycle, the Budgetary Control Carry Forward set of processes is used to identify surplus funds and open purchase orders to determine if they will be carried forward to the next budget cycle. The regulations for handling the obligated or surplus funds vary by jurisdiction. For example, surplus funds could lapse or be carried forward for consumption in the next budget. Transactions that have obligated funds but not yet invoiced could be carried forward, canceled, or the books could be left open until the expected invoice is received. Once your organization decides upon your carry forward objectives, the set of budgetary control carry forward processes can be used to meet those objectives. Use the carry forward funds available process to carry forward unused budget amounts from one control budget to another, selecting the budget periods in which the funds are moved. Also control what budget accounts are eligible for carry forward by using the budget account filter. Funds are imported into the new budget period either as the initial budget amount or an adjusted budget amount, depending on whether the period status is available for budgeting or open. The Carry Forward Purchase Order Budgetary Control Balances process identifies purchase orders with an undelivered or unbilled amount and have an obligation balance. The process will finally close the purchase orders to reverse the obligation balance for the current year. The purchase order is then reopened to reestablish the obligation balance in the new year. Optionally, you can choose to carry forward the budget for the carried forward purchase order balance. Our report will summarize the budgetary control impact of the purchase orders that were carried forward. The end of budget year process can often be a daunting one for an organization to plan and execute. The new Budgetary Control Carry Forward feature helps to simplify your end of budget year by automating this cumbersome process. The Carry Forward Funds Available process enables customers to ensure data accuracy of the budget position and easily move surplus funds to the next budget year. The Carry Forward Purchase Order Budgetary Control Balances process improves work productivity by quickly identifying purchase orders with obligation balances and moving these balances into the next budget year. Enter descriptive comments to document important details about the budget account and amount at budget import and budget adjustment time. The comment field is available in the Enter Budget spreadsheet and the Budget Import Cloud template. Additionally, users can configure and use descriptive flex fields in the Budget Import Cloud template. Budget managers can query all the budget entries for a control budget in the new Review Budget Entries page, available under the Budget menu in the Budgetary Control dashboard, or access it by drilling down from the Review Budgetary Control Balances page. Click the budget entry name in the Review Budget Entries page to open the View Budget Entry page to see all the imported lines with details such as budget account, budget period, entered amount, and the new comment column. The budget import enhancements provide a better understanding of what is being budgeted and captures any additional information using the new comments field during the budget import process. Budget managers can now have greater visibility into the budget imports and revisions by viewing all budget entries and the details of the budget amount lines in the new budget entry pages. OTBI budgetary control subject areas have been expanded to include the new budgetary control balances real-time subject area. Create custom reports on detailed balance information such as funds available balance, initial, adjusted, and unreleased budget amounts, consumption balance amounts, and even the detailed reservation categories balance amounts. New attributes have been added in the budgetary control transactions real-time subject area to enhance reporting on source transactions. The enhancements include new attributes for requisition header, requisition lines, requisition project information, and requisition distribution amounts, along with the purchase order headcount, lines, distribution amounts, payable invoice distribution information, and manual journals. Improve your custom reporting and ad hoc inquiries with these new OTBI offerings to provide a comprehensive overview of your budgetary control validation activities and its source transaction information, and complete balance amount details in addition to the suite of attributes already available. In this section, we provide implementation considerations and setup instructions for the enhancements covered. Budgetary Control Carry Forward feature is automatically available after the upgrade and does not have an opt-in option. There is no associated setup with this feature. The Budgetary Control Carry Forward feature can be accessed using the Budget Manager role. The business process associated with this feature is year-end processing. Budget Entry Comments and Inquiry feature is automatically available after the upgrade and does not have an opt-in option. There is no associated setup with this feature. The Budget Entry Comments and Inquiry feature can be accessed using the Budget Manager role. The business process associated with this feature is Manage Budgets. The OTBI Budgetary Control Subject Area feature is automatically available after the upgrade and does not have an opt-in option. There is no associated setup with this feature. The OTBI Budgetary Control Subject Area feature can be accessed using the Budget Manager role. The business process associated with this feature is Manage Funds Reservation. Other release training modules that are related to these capabilities and are recommended viewing are the Oracle Fusion Purchasing Cloud Budgetary Control Enhancements that discuss the new Reserve Upon Submit and Override features, the Oracle Fusion Self-Service Procurement Cloud and Oracle Fusion Inventory Management Cloud release training, which both discuss the internal materials transfer feature. This concludes this presentation. Thank you for listening. You can easily pause and rewind any of these slides if you require additional time to take in the detail. Thank you.